Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one we have like this. So we have 5 over 2 plus 1, and that is about 7 over 2 over 7 over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one I can put into 2 over 7. And now we have the integration s to the power of 5 over 2, because this one divided by s. So s that is about negative number 1. So 7 over 2 minus 1, we have 5 over 2. And this one that is about 7 over 2 over 7 over 2, 7 over 2. And now we simplify and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.